welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and I'm very happy to have all of you here again in my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make easy, simple and beautiful stitch that you can use in your coming projects. Look, I call this stitch the chest stitch. I love that you can make so many different combinations and you will see that only using double crochets you will make something amazing. Remember that I love to teach you these kind of projects that are easy, fast and beautiful. Remember that before we start, it's important that you subscribe. But well, let's don't lose more time and I will give you the step by step right away. To buy all the materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es and we will send it right to your house. Well, the yarn that I will use is between fine and light material between number 2 or 3 and I will use 2 different colors and of course my hook. I will use the hook number 3.5 and we will start making as many chains as we need according to the size of the project that we want. So look, imagine, like I'm going to make a sample, I made 30 chains, but imagine that you are going to make a jacket or a scarf or a blanket, so you have the chains that you need according to your project. We will chain 2 more, then, sorry, I need to do my nails, but I don't find someone that could make my nails like I want here in Spain, but well, I will count 3 and in the 4th I will make the first double crochet. But if we count the first 2 chains that we made at the beginning, there we will have the first double crochet. So here we have 3. We are going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. First we are going to make 5 double crochet and then we will change color. In this case I will use this hot pink. I will make a knot right at the end of the 5 double crochet. Well, now here I have this new color. I'm going to change. I'm going to leave the color that I was using there in hold. I will leave it there and now I'm going to continue with the next 5 double crochet using this color. So here we have 2, 3. As you see while I'm making this, I have the last thread of the last color here in hold also, because I don't want to cut and to make a knot again, you know, because it will, at the end it won't look so good. So look, here at the end of the 5 double crochet, I'm just going to pull the last thread. I'm going to place it in the back and then I'm going to continue right away with the next 5 double crochet. You see how I didn't cut and I didn't make a knot. I just pull and place it in the back in the wrong side. So like this we are going to make the next 5 double crochet and then we will change color again. Well, like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, okay? After each 5 double crochet, we are going to change color and we are going to make this trick. It's also important that if we start taking both threads of the chain, both parts of the chain like this, well, it is important that we take all the stitches like this. At the end, it will make a big difference. So remember that if you want to have a good project of good quality, you should put your attention in these small details. You will see that at the end it will make a big difference. So this is also a tip that I gave you. So I'm going to continue changing color every 5 double crochet and see you at the end. And don't worry if you have all the change of colors in the back if you have these threads, because later at the end we will hide it. I will show you how. So for now, don't worry, let's just pass the thread behind, and later I will show you how we are going to hide them. Well, look, here I finished the row. I love it. Well, now that we have both colors here at the end, both threads, we will go with both colors. We will go up with 3 chains, turn around, and now we are going to alternate the colors. You see that we have all these threads here behind. Well, while we make the next series, we are going to hide like this. We are going to blend the threads, and we are going to make double crochet over double crochet, and we are going to insert the hook between the last double crochet chain and the thread. You see how we have the thread in the middle, so like this is how we are going to hide it. And also after each 5 double crochet, we are going to change color again. Remember that we are alternating, and again we are going to place, and we are going to change the color behind. We are going to place the thread behind, and like this, between the last color thread and the chain is where we are going to insert the hook. So this is a secret between you and me, and like this is how we are going to hide the threads, and like this we are going to avoid to cut every 5 double crochet the color, and we are going to avoid to make knots, and like this at the end we will have a better ending in our project and a better presentation, of course. So we will have something like this. We are going to hide the threads, and we are going to place it in the back every time that we turn around. And don't worry, I know that here in the edge we will have this part a little bit you know, like ugly, you may say, but don't worry, we will make there extra final edge with a different stitch to decorate if you want, or if you don't want to decorate or so, well, we can make just a single crochet row and that's it. But let's continue. So let's make together one more row so we can review. So we will go up with both threads, with both colors. We will go up with 3 chains, and now we are going to alternate the color again. So I'm going to change color, and again, while I make the next double crochet, I'm going to hide. I'm going to insert my hook between the last colored thread and in the next double crochet. You see? It's also important that if you are taking both parts of the chain, you take both parts of the chain in all the stitches, okay? But we will continue repeating this series and making more rows, and I will show you how it looks, okay? You can use this stitch also only to decorate something. Imagine to make a pocket for your sweater with this stitch. I think it will be an amazing detail in your final project, or making a blanket, or making a scarf or a beanie. I think that you can use this stitch in so many different things. I hope that you are enjoying, and I hope that you make it. Okay, so now let's see how it looks. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this stitch with me. I know that it was a short video, but you know that I like to make this kind of projects that are easy, fast, and beautiful. Remember that I always like to find the easiest and simple ways for you. I share always my tips and secrets. I love this stitch because you will have the opportunity to make your own version, to make your own combination, to use it in so many different things that I didn't mention. Imagine also this decoration for your house. Remember that in the last video I showed you how you can make a table runner. Imagine using this stitch. But well, before you go, I hope that you give me a like, that you can subscribe, and that you can leave me a comment. Also, you can follow me in all my social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and in my Spanish channel, Laura Cepeda too. But well, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.